Hey, I'm Mike O'Dowd with USCCA, and today I'm going to show you a series of drills that'll keep you sharp while on the range. First, I'm going to show them to you, demo them, and then break them down step by step to make you a better and more effective shooter. So for this drill, I like to do when I first step on the range. Maybe it's been a couple weeks since you last shot, or maybe it's been a few days, doesn't matter. You like to test your baseline, see where you're at under cold bore circumstances. So it's gonna be 3 types of shots from the holster. I'm gonna first draw and shoot 5 shots out of the gate with both hands. Then I'm gonna reholster, then draw one hand, 5 shots with the right hand, and then holster. And then I'm gonna draw and shoot 5 shots with my offhand and then holster. See how it goes. All right, that was 206 with a first draw of 132. First draw of 132. Stand by one-handed. That was a 224 with a first draw of 152. A little slower on that first draw. All right. That was a 297 with my offhand, and the first draw was 217. It's very slow on the first draw, but once again, when you switch hands, it's not really applicable to draw and switch hands. It's more of like a what if my arm went down thing. So worry less about the draw and worry more about the accuracy and the split times for when you switch hands. All right, so I threw one out in the Charlie and everything else was in the Alpha. It's been probably 4 days since I last shot. And you know, whenever you go a couple of days, maybe you haven't been dry firing, maybe you haven't been live firing, you're gonna be a little bit rusty. You're gonna knock the rust off. This is a great drill to kind of see where you're at. It's not a warm-up so much as it is a test of your baseline skills after you have or haven't been training. So what we're looking for in the 3 drills, the first drill is draw and shoot 5 shots with my normal grip, both hands. That I'm looking at what the first draw shot is. In this case, the draw time was somewhere, you know, in the 1.3s. It was under 1.5 seconds. I recommend as a goal for most, you know, normal everyday self-defense shooters, try to have a draw time under 1.5 seconds. Anything under that is quite good. Anything lower and lower, you know, is just exceptional. You want to keep the draw time fast, and then you want to look at your split times. How fast are the split times between shots? And then lastly, you want to look at how accurate it is. So if you go back a little bit further, it's going to spread out. At 5 yards, if you can keep everything in an alpha, chest size target, you're doing really well. So there you have it. That's one drill you can use on the range to keep you sharp and test your baseline skills. We have a whole bunch more videos coming out, so make sure you check out USCCA for more content. We have a lot more lessons we're going to be teaching. We'd love to see your times in the comments section. Let us know. Remember, this is a cold bore test, so do it without having any warm-up and let us know. I'd love to see your split times and your draw times. This is a really fun drill, and we'd love to, you know, see how fast you guys go at home. Let us know in the comments section if you liked it, and if you have any questions, hit that subscribe button and make sure to like it. As always, make sure you keep training, because that's how we move forward and that's how we progress.